Honda Civic, not sure of the year. It's in for a misfire. The customer scanned it. I don't see a check engine light, so I'm assuming they cleared it. Trying to get it to duplicate. Bummer. Oh, stalled out on it. I think that's it right there. There it is. All right, I'm in drive. It happened little. I'm going to look at the scan tool, see if there's anything in mode 6. So it appears everything's been erased. Everything's green. I'm going to get OBD2 started and see if there's anything in there. Okay, there's no fault code. Mode 6, let's see. Man, I don't know. Everything looks okay in here. Popped back into enhanced version and see if we can find anything here. I got all this here. Let's graph it. See if I can get anything to happen. These are a lot more accurate than the older vehicles, so when it says number 2, it's fairly correct. I just got to get it to do it again. Yeah, number 2. So I might actually stay low tech on this one. So it looks like it's number 2. It's acting up. I think I'm just going to pull plugs and take a look real quick, see if I can find anything on the coil boot or anything like that, and do a little swaptronics. And then if that doesn't work, it's going to have to wait till tomorrow, and I'll put my scope onto it, because it's a Sunday and the car was just dropped off, and I'm just kind of seeing if I can get a head start and then go and enjoy the rest of my Sunday. Do a little visual on this. I don't see anything obvious. You got a little discoloration there, but kind of on all of them. That might just be the way dirt got onto it. I don't see any cracks. Nothing obvious. There's a little bit of cracking down there, but I don't know if that's just my eyes or if it's just dirt. I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to swap it probably 2 to 3. That was easy. Look at that. Carbon tracking. Right there. I bet when I pull that plug out, I'll have a line in there on the porcelain. Yes, sir. Right there. Carbon tracking, baby. I already pulled that coil out. That coil looks okay. I'm going to pull the rest of the coils out, see if I see any carbon tracking. Pulled them all out. This one here has it too. I don't know if you can make that out. Right there. Yes, this one has carbon tracking as well. 2 coils, 2 plugs. And you cannot clean that off of there. That's burned into there. That will return. And you can't clean that out of there. Pretty quick one, pretty easy, pretty obvious. The new plugs in, the new coils, and everything is good. No misfires. I reset the engine and all that good stuff. This is combined, this is all 4 cylinders. I got nothing going on there. Ride's good. And this one is fixed. Yeehaw.